Hello everyone, I am Zamir Khan, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, HR Patel Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Shirpur. Today I will show you how to appear for sessional examination. For this, you have to click on Google Classroom. I have a code for the new Google Classroom, so I will click on plus symbol. I will join a class. I will paste my class code over here and will join the class. After joining a class, I can see my assignment over here. So I will click on new assignment, PCI Students Demonstration Sessional Examination. Now out of 30 points, question number 1, I can see over here as a Google form for 10 marks. Question number 2 will be a long answer question. You have to solve any one, can be seen over here. And question number 3, short answer question for 5 marks for each, can be seen over here. So for first question, I have to click on the link of Google form, which is here. So I will click on the link. This is Advanced Biopharmaceutics Second Sessional Examination. I will put my email address here. Name of the student, roll number. I will select any one option out of 4 just as a part of demo sessional examination. Out of attempting 10 MCQs, I will click on the submit button. Here I can see that response submitted and assignment marked as done. So up to this I have solved my question number 1 which is MCQs for 10 marks. Now I will click on open assignment section. Here I can see question number 2 and question number 3. Now for attempting these question number 2 and question number 3, I will write the answer of these questions on the blank pages as per the instructions, and I will have to upload the question number 2 answer and question number 3 answer through this Google Classroom now. So what I will do, I will look at this. I will slide over the screen from your work. I can see now add attachment. I can click on the add attachment option. I have to upload file over here, so I will click on file option. We'll go to the internal memory. Now here I will click on cam scanner, as I have scanned my documents through cam scanner. Now here I will have to attach, for example, this is my attachment for question number 2. So I will click here. Within few seconds, my attachment will be uploaded as roll number 100, question number 2. Again I have to attach another file as question number 3. So I will again go back to this. I will click on roll number 3, roll number 100, question number 3. The second attachment for question number 3 can be seen here. So I have attached these two attachments, question number 2 and question number 3, and I will now click on hand in button. A pop-up window will appear asking 2 attachments will be submitted for this sessional examination. I will click on hand in button. Okay, so work submitted, and finally I have submitted my sessional examination question paper through this Google Classroom. This is the way we have to submit the answer for a sessional examination. Thank you.